Hello followers. If you are visiting first time my channel, please subscribe my channel. I will be sharing the videos related to Oracle SQL, PLSQL, and performance tuning and interview concepts. Let's start with topic. Today we are going to discuss Oracle Materialized View. So if you are working on large volume of data, to improve the performance, I can say Materials View is the best way. Okay, so we will see what are the refresh we have and what are the mechanism we use and some performance tips and practical demo. Okay, so everything we'll see. So why we need Materials View? See, actually, normal view, what happen? It's contain only structure. Only we have query. So, okay, if we query the view, it will get the data from the base table only. But what happen when we create the Materials View? It's having structure with data. So that's why it won't uh, go to the base table to get the data. Okay, so just based on our business need, we will refresh the Materialized View. Then it will take directly, our query will take data directly the data from the Materialized View. Okay, so it contains structure with the data. Okay, view versus Materialized View. What is the difference? View, it store only SQL, no storage, always current, slower for the large reports. Okay, because it has to get the data from the base table. Materialized View, it stores SQL and data. It needs some memory because it stores the data. So needs refresh. So it's a refresh. It may be um, complete refresh, fast refresh, or force. Okay. So I will explain all this refresh in the video. Okay. So these are the refresh. Um, so based on the refresh, it will work. Okay. So just I'm going to create one Materialized View. Materialized View. Then top of the view, I will create the Materialized View logs and what are the mechanism I am going to use. Okay, so all the mechanism on demand or force or on commit. Okay, so just we will go one by one. Okay, fast refresh. Fast refresh. What will happen? So first to go with on demand. On demand means we have to manually we have to call the Materialized View to refresh. So if we use this syntax execute EMS view refresh this one, so manually whenever we need we have to run this command to refresh on demand. So it will be on demand. So it what will happen if refresh complete means it will remove the delete the complete data and it will build it back from the table. So it will be it will take time, but it will build from the scratch. Okay, it's on demand. The complete refresh. Refresh is complete. Okay, so if you mention the keyword on demand, we have to do it this way. Okay, so Materialized View Logs. Materialized View Logs, it will be have created with whatever the latest changes. Whatever the latest changes, all will be stored in the Materialized View Log. So if you are building the fast refresh, if you want to build the fast refresh in MU, you should be having the Materialized View Log. Reading the Materialized View Log, the optimizer will what will do only change record. It will refresh and it will make it the Materialized View up to date. Okay, that is called fast refresh. Okay, so so on demand it's a refresh is fast. So here the refresh is fast, that's why it will be checking the Materialized View Logs. Here if you see it's refresh complete means it will delete and refresh, it will be checking the Materialized View Log. Force refresh. Force refresh, what will happen? First, it will try the fast refresh, checking the Materials View. If it's any failure is happening, it's not getting any data from Materials View logs, then it will go complete refresh. Okay, that's the way it will work. The refresh is force. Okay, then on commit refresh. This will happen whenever you do the any DML in EMP base table. Once you commit, immediately it will refresh the Materialized View. So it's automatically refreshed. Okay, no need to do any external command. It's on commit. Okay, the refresh will be fast and uh, it's on demand. Okay, no need to do externally to run the command. Okay, so on demand means we have to run it. It's on commit immediately. Once you committed the data, it will. Okay, so what kind of data? See, whenever you see you are writing the complex aggregation joins, those data you need again and again. What you can do, you can, for that particular query, you can create the Materialized View. Then if you query this data from directly, we can query the data from Materialized View. Okay, so that's the way we can avoid traffic in the transaction server. Okay, always what DBA do, they will create Materialized View server separately. So whenever they get the uh, uh, REST query for the Materialized View, directly it will go the Materialized View and get the data. It won't disturb the transaction table, the base table. Okay, and we have, so we can create any select query. See, based on your needs, you can write whatever the query need. You can build the Materialized View top of it. There is a one feature. It's enable query rewrite. If you enable the query rewrite, if you write the query to table also, what will happen, it will check first the Materialized View. If the particular data is available in Materialized View, then it will go to the Materialized View, not to the table. So that's what the performance will increase lot. Okay, so the user is querying the table, but still it's looking the data from Materialized View. That's the way it will completely avoid the traffic. Okay, so that's what. Okay, now these are the refresh types. Okay, complete, rebuild the entire, complete means it's rebuild the entire Materialized View. Okay, it will delete and it will refresh. Fast, it's refresh change rows using Materialized View logs. Force, it attempts fast refresh. If not possible, perform it complete refresh. Okay, on commit, refresh automatically after the commit. Okay, on demand, refresh only when the DBMS refresh in executed. So on demand we have to wait. Okay, this is the on command. Okay, on demand. Okay, so what are the advantage? It's reporting performance, reduce CPU supports query rewrite. Okay, ideal for data warehousing, store pre-compute aggregation. Whatever the aggregation you want to store it, you can use it. Okay. What are the interview questions? These are the interview questions. What is Materialized View? You can mention Materialized View. It's a database of the store physical result of the query for the faster retrieval. Difference between view and Materialized View. It's store SQL query, and view, it's only SQL query. Materialized View, it's query stored query with data. Materialized View logs. So logs change last changes whatever made in the base table to support fast refresh. Okay. Complete refresh with all existing data. It's delete all the existing data and rebuild the Materialized View from the base table. Okay. Fast refresh only change rows. It Materialized View log view using the Materialized View logs. If you're using Materialized View, it will do the first event. Post, it will try first. Um, First, it will try the fast. If it's not possible, then go with. It will go with uh, complete. Okay, on demand, on commit. So it's automatically on commit. Automatically happen. On demand, we have to explicitly do it. Okay, when do you use Materialized View? If you want to improve the performance of the query, so it's fetching from multiple tables, then you can create Materialized View and um, you can query on it. Okay, query rewrite, it will possible to if you are querying the table also, once query rewrite enable, then it will go with the Materialized View only. It won't go to. So okay. Can we perform DML on Materialized View? No, it will be not DML operation. Just we will do the refresh. Okay. So what are the limitations for fast refresh? Okay. Okay, so fast refresh, it's only eligible query it will. Okay. So okay, so how Oracle identify the change rows during fast refresh using the Materialized View logs only. Okay. Okay, these are the interview question. Mostly you will get it. Okay, let's start with practical session. Okay. Okay, let's get here. Okay, first I will create this Materialized View. See, I created Materialized View. See, if I query the Materialized View, okay, it's getting the data from Materialized View. Normally, if we query the table, it will go to the table, right? So, but it's fetching the data from the Materialized View. Okay, the full access in Materialized View. Okay, that's why once you create the Materialized View, it won't get the data from the table. Okay, so example, if you do any changes, it won't reflect. So, example, if I see select. So just what I can do, um, delete emp where department number equal to 10. Okay. Two rows deleted. Okay. But still, if I query Materialized View, see what will happen. So 14 rows only. The deleted rows not affected. Once if I provide the commit and if I do the refresh, then only it will reflect. Okay. That's so back it. I don't know. We just do that. So that's we have to do the refresh then. So we can create the Materialized View logs. Okay. So yes, it's if you run this command, if you have privilege, immediately it will refresh. Okay. See, immediately it will refresh. Okay. So Materialized View logs also. Um, so it's including new value with primary key. It will kill the Materialized View logs. Then it will be the fast refresh will be possible. Okay. So this is the fast refresh. It fast refresh. Okay, depends on our need, we can create it on commit, everything will work. Okay, so example what I can do, so just this one I will try to show it. Okay, my department sale. Okay, so this one Materialized View. Okay, this is the Materialized View to create. See, I am creating this Materialized View. Okay, now what I am doing, um, I am without enabling the uh, without enabling query rewrite. I am if I am running this query, what will happen? See, I am without querying it. I am without see, model, it's going to table. Okay, table only, EMP table only it's going. Okay. See, if I enable query rewrite, I'm enabling it. I enabled query rewrite. If I query the table, so let's me run the query. Okay, I enable the query rewrite. If I running this query, um, so if I running this query, see now also I am pointing to EMP only, but it's going to materialized view because we have enabled query rebate. That's why what happened? What about the possible combination data? If it's possible to get it from the uh, materialized view, it will go to the materialized view instead of taking the from the data from the table. Okay, that's the way the traffic will be reduced in the main table and it will be faster. Okay, that's the way they will achieve the performance. Okay, that's what I want to share it today. Okay, these are the complete details on Materialized View. Okay, interviews, if you get the questions in Materialized View, mostly we will get these other questions. Okay, other than this, you won't get it. Okay, thank you so much for viewing. Please subscribe my channel, share it with your friends, share your feedback. I'll be sharing videos continuously for Oracle SQL, PLSQL, and performance tuning and interview topics. Please subscribe. Thank you for viewing.